Hello students, in our previous class we have seen that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of ratio of the corresponding sides. We have written only AB upon PQ, other two sides also could be written in the similar fashion. हमने देख लिया था कि अगर हमारे पास दो ट्रायंगल हैं और वो सिमिलर ट्रायंगल हैं तो उनके एरिया का जो रेशियो है वो बराबर होता है उनकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के रेशियो के स्क्वायर के। आज हम जो देखने वाले हैं वो ये है कि ये उनका एरिया का रेशियो बराबर होगा स्क्वायर ऑफ द मीडियंस, रेशियो ऑफ मीडियंस। ऑल्सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ देयर एल्टीट्यूड्स। ऑल्सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ देयर एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स। सो इसमें हम जो देखेंगे वो ये है कि these two triangles are similar, ABC and PQR, that is given. Once that is given, automatically the result that follows or the information that is given to us is AB upon PQ will be BC upon QR and that will be equal to AC upon PR. Also their corresponding angles are equal. हमें मालूम है अगर दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हैं तो उनकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल होता है या उनकी साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनल होती हैं और एल्स another information is that their corresponding angles are equal. So with this information, now right at outset, first we will prove that it is equal to square of the ratio of the medians. So for that purpose, let AD and PM be the median in triangle ABC and PQR respectively. Once AD is median in ABC, that means BD and DC will be equal. Median bisect the side on which it intersects. Also similarly, we can say that QM will be MR. And M is the midpoint of QR and D is midpoint of BC. Having said that, now if you write here triangle ADB and triangle, okay, let me write it like this, ADB and triangle PMQ. These two triangles I want to prove them similar. So they are similar on SCS criterion. How that we will be applying? So because we can see that angle B is undoubtedly equal to angle Q. That was given to us. And another thing that we can find out is we are given AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Also we have AC upon PR, but that is not required. So this can be written as half of BC, this can be written as half of QR because AD and PM are medians here. So half of BC and half of QR also will have the same ratio as will be shown by BCQR and ABPQ. So this can be further written as, now AB upon PQ can be written as half of BC can be taken as BD and half of QR can be taken as QM. So now if I come here AB upon PQ and that is equal to BD upon QM. So in these two triangles I have AB upon PQ and BD upon QM. Also angle B is equal to angle Q. So we can see that this qualifies SCS, side angle side criterion of similarity. So these two triangles are now similar. If they are similar, I definitely can write AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. AB is a side that is formed from first and third vertex. So PQ is made from first and third for this corresponding side, and for these first two vertices make a side. So corresponding side of this triangle will be made by first two vertices of this triangle. So AD upon PM. Now you can see that whatever the ratio is of the AB and PQ, same is the ratio of median AD and PM. So if the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles was equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is also equal to square of the ratio of their medians. Similarly, at the time of proving AD and PM as angle bisector, we will say angle A and angle P are equal. So this will be half of A, that will be half of P. So let me call it as angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 also will be equal, because if two angles are equal, their halves are also equal. So then when we consider AD and PM as angle bisector, and angle bisector of A and angle bisector of P, then angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Another angles that are equal are B and Q, that was given to us. So again this triangle ADB and PMQ will be similar to each other, and this time the criterion will be AA similarity, because two angles of this are equal to corresponding to angles of that triangle. So AA similarity makes it criterion of AA similarity makes these two triangles similar, and once they are similar, this result will again follow. So this time, rather than calling this as median, we will call AD and PM are angle bisectors. So this result will be proved. And third time, when AD and PM are taken altitudes, so we will take angle D and angle M are 90 degree each, and angle B is equal to angle Q. So again ADB and PMQ. This time this is 90, that is 90. This is equal to B is equal to Q. That was given to us because these two triangles are similar. So again AD and PM when taken are as altitudes, again these two triangles are made similar, and again they are similar, then we can write AB upon PQ, AD upon PM, and this time AD and PM are altitudes. So even this result is true. So we have seen that ratio of the areas of similar triangles is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides, square of ratio of their medians, square of ratio of their altitudes, and square of ratio of their angle bisectors. That's all we were to prove.